Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true symbol of American luxury from the golden era of full-size automobiles. Standing before us is the magnificent 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood, finished in an elegant silver paint job that perfectly captures the sophistication and prestige Cadillac was known for. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling piece of automotive history, representing a time when bigger was better, comfort was king, and luxury was measured in feet rather than inches. From the very first glance, the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood commands attention. Its sheer size alone makes modern luxury sedans look compact. Stretching over 19 feet in length, this classic Cadillac was designed to make a statement wherever it went. The silver exterior enhances the Fleetwood's graceful lines, reflecting sunlight beautifully and highlighting every chrome accent that surrounds the vehicle. Walking around the front, you'll immediately notice the massive chrome grille that defines the car's personality. The iconic Cadillac crest sits proudly in the center, reminding everyone that this was one of America's most prestigious automobiles. The quad headlights are neatly integrated into the front fascia, while the chrome bumper extends across the width of the car, creating an imposing and luxurious presence. Moving along the side profile, the Fleetwood's long body showcases the design philosophy of the 1970s. The silver paint gives the car a clean and timeless appearance, while the extensive chrome trim running along the windows and body panels adds a touch of elegance. The large doors emphasize easy entry and exit, a feature appreciated by owners who valued comfort above all else. The wheel covers complement the luxurious design perfectly, while the long wheelbase contributes to the smooth ride quality that Cadillac was famous for. Every angle of this car reflects an era when designers focused on creating vehicles that looked substantial, prestigious, and effortlessly classy. At the rear, the Fleetwood continues its impressive design language with large vertical taillights and another massive chrome bumper. The trunk seems almost endless, offering enough storage space for luggage, golf clubs, or anything else an owner might need for a long road trip. The silver finish ties everything together beautifully, making this Fleetwood look as refined today as it did nearly 5 decades ago. Interior. Opening the door reveals an interior that truly defines luxury. The silver-themed cabin creates a bright, spacious, and elegant atmosphere. Soft upholstery, plush seating, and premium materials surround the occupants, delivering an experience that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional automobile. The front bench seat is incredibly comfortable, offering enough room for 3 passengers across if needed. The cushioning is soft and supportive, designed for long-distance cruising rather than aggressive driving. Looking across the dashboard, you'll notice a clean layout featuring classic gauges, elegant trim pieces, and controls that were considered advanced for their time. The steering wheel is large and comfortable, requiring minimal effort thanks to Cadillac's power steering system. Every switch and knob feels substantial, reflecting the craftsmanship expected from a premium luxury brand during this era. One of the Fleetwood's greatest strengths is interior space. Rear passengers enjoy an incredible amount of legroom and headroom, making this vehicle an ideal choice for executives, dignitaries, and families seeking unmatched comfort. Sitting in the back seat feels like riding in a private luxury suite. The seats are wide, soft, and exceptionally comfortable, providing a relaxing environment even on the longest journeys. The silver interior color complements the exterior perfectly, creating a cohesive and sophisticated appearance. Combined with chrome accents, wood grain trim, and luxurious materials, the cabin delivers a classic American luxury experience that remains impressive today. Performance. Of course, a Cadillac Fleetwood isn't just about appearance and comfort. Under the hood lies the heart of this luxurious cruiser. The 1975 Fleetwood was powered by a large displacement V8 engine, providing smooth and effortless performance. While this era was affected by tightening emissions regulations, Cadillac engineers focused on maintaining the quiet, refined driving experience customers expected. The V8 delivers plenty of low-end torque, allowing the Fleetwood to accelerate smoothly despite its considerable size and weight. This isn't a sports car, and it was never intended to be one. Instead, the Fleetwood excels at providing relaxed, confident performance. Press the accelerator, and the car moves forward with grace and authority, accompanied by the subtle rumble of a classic American V8. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly and predictably, contributing to the car's serene driving character. Whether cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the Fleetwood remains composed and comfortable. Ride quality is where this Cadillac truly shines. The suspension system was engineered to absorb road imperfections with remarkable effectiveness. Potholes, bumps, and rough surfaces seem to disappear beneath the car, creating the sensation of floating down the road. This famous Cadillac ride became legendary for a reason, and the Fleetwood demonstrates exactly why. The steering is light and effortless, making this large vehicle surprisingly manageable despite its dimensions. While modern cars may offer sharper handling, few can match the Fleetwood's ability to isolate passengers from the outside world and provide such a relaxing driving experience. Another remarkable aspect of owning a 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood today is its collectability. Classic car enthusiasts appreciate these vehicles for their historical significance, luxurious design, and unmistakable road presence. As surviving examples become increasingly rare, well-maintained Fleetwoods continue to attract attention from collectors around the world. Pricing. When it comes to pricing, values can vary significantly depending on condition, originality, mileage, and maintenance history. Project cars requiring restoration can sometimes be found at relatively affordable prices, while clean, well-preserved examples command considerably higher values. Exceptional showroom-quality Fleetwoods with documented history can attract premium prices in the classic car market. Generally speaking, enthusiasts can expect decent examples to range from several $1,000s to well over $20,000, with exceptional collector-grade vehicles potentially exceeding that range. The silver color combination, especially when paired with a matching silver interior, can enhance desirability among collectors seeking a distinctive and elegant specification. What makes the Fleetwood particularly appealing is the amount of car you're getting. Few classic vehicles offer this level of luxury, comfort, presence, and historical significance at comparable price points. For many enthusiasts, owning a Fleetwood is about more than transportation, it's about preserving a piece of automotive heritage. As we wrap up today's look at this stunning 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood, it's easy to understand why these cars remain so beloved among classic car fans. From its beautiful silver exterior and luxurious silver interior to its smooth V8 power and legendary ride quality, the Fleetwood represents a unique chapter in American automotive history. This car serves as a reminder of a time when luxury meant spaciousness, comfort, and effortless elegance. Every detail, from the massive chrome grille to the plush seating, reflects Cadillac's commitment to delivering one of the finest driving experiences available in its era. If you're a fan of classic American luxury, the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood deserves a place on your list of dream cars. Its timeless design, commanding presence, and unmatched comfort continue to impress nearly 50 years after it first rolled off the production line. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and appreciate classic automotive icons like this Cadillac Fleetwood, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future content. Let us know in the comments what your favorite classic Cadillac model is, and we'll see you in the next video.